Dubai's Roads and Transport Authority, or RTA, has introduced an innovative public transport system, the rail bus. This fully three-dimensional, printed solar-powered and autonomous vehicle is designed to enhance urban mobility. Currently showcased at the World Government Summit 2025 in Madinat Jumeirah, the rail bus features a sleek gold and black exterior, 2 rows of orange seats, and dedicated space for disabled passengers. Each carriage, with 22 seats, can accommodate up to 40 passengers. Equipped with screens displaying real-time journey updates including next stops, weather conditions and time, the vehicle ensures passenger convenience. Control panels are located at both ends, and safety instructions are clearly displayed. The rail bus will operate on elevated tracks across Dubai. It is fully solar-powered and designed for a top speed of 100 kilometers per hour. The vehicle measures 2.9 meters in height and 11.5 meters in length. It will be seamlessly integrated with other public transport systems to optimize first and last mile connectivity. Sustainability and Dubai's future vision. The project aligns with Dubai's ambition to be the world's smartest city, supporting key national initiatives like the UAE Net Zero 2050 Strategy, Dubai's Zero Emissions Public Transport Strategy 2050, and the Dubai Self-Driving Transport Strategy 2030, which aims for 25% of daily trips to be autonomous. With its lightweight, scalable, three-dimensional printed structure, the rail bus minimizes environmental impact while maximizing efficiency. Though an official launch date has not been announced, this futuristic system is expected to transform public transport and reinforce Dubai's status as a global leader in smart mobility. Sheikh Mohammed's visit. The rail bus was unveiled in the presence of Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, UAE Vice President, Prime Minister and ruler of Dubai, along with Sheikh Hamdan bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Crown Prince of Dubai. As Dubai continues to push the boundaries of innovation, the rail bus stands as a testament to its commitment to sustainable, smart transportation solutions.